I've never seen a girl ride a bike. But it's getting more and more common. Like, I think when I started interest in riding, there was hardly any girls who would go to that bike week in Sandusky. Is that Sandusky?
Yes.
And it was like, wow, look, Roger, there's a girl. We still kind of do that, though. We're like, oh, there's a woman.
I just think it's impressive. So.
Well, that's what, when we were at that gas station in South Dakota, when I was riding with you and JR and Jim, that one person came up to me, that guy, and he goes, it is so impressive to see the woman on her own bike. He goes, I cannot believe that you're on it. And then they asked me if we hauled them, and I said, nope. Rode all the way from Ohio out here, and he's like, that's impressive, even more.
I don't know about you, but I kind of like the scenery down here.
Yeah. It's kind of peaceful. Those three houses there is kind of secluded. Pretty cool.
Look up there on the right.
Oh, wow. There's one on the right clear at the top of the hill. Big two-story house.
I don't think he has to worry about getting flooded up.
No. The sky's that pretty blue today. Canada to the right.
Isn't Pikesville where the other Hatfields or the McCoys live?
Where?
In Pikesville, Kentucky. Wasn't one family in Kentucky and the other in
West Virginia, yes.
Yeah.
There's a Hatfield and McCoy dinner show in Tennessee, and I wanted to go to it, and I looked for tickets last night, and they're all sold out.
Wow.
I've always been wanting to go to those dinner shows. I don't know if you can just go there and try to get in or not. I don't know how it works. But that one they said it was funny, and it was something else. They serve home style food like fried chicken, mashed potatoes, corn on cob.
Yeah, but what day did you check? We're going to be down there all week.
Every day.
Every day was sold out?
Yeah, that's what I looked online.
Wow.
So I don't know if it's sold out online. Maybe we can go there and see, or I don't know. It was in Gatlinburg is where it's at. Even they had Dollywood one too, and it was sold out.
Dollywood's like Cedar Point.
Yeah.
So you have-
This ain't Dollywood though. This is Dolly Parton's dinner thing.
Oh, okay.
I thought, well, we could always just go there and see.
We can.
Their dinner shows are like 5 o'clock and they're 8 o'clock. You know, they have a big museum down here in Tennessee of Titanic, and you actually go in this building that looks just like the Titanic boat.
Really?
Yeah, and they have it all set up just like it was when you watched the movie. Like, the boat looks just like it. Thought that was pretty interesting.
Yeah.
I used to have that movie. I used to watch it all the time. Something that you can watch over and over.
Did the boat sink every time?
Yeah, Roger. What do you think? The next same videotape, it's going to change?
Well, I thought maybe it might. I thought maybe that's why you watched it over and over.
No, it's just a good movie.
It was Miss Iceberg.
Just like the movie of Loretta Lynn. I can watch that all the time, too. Loretta Lynn, the coal miner's daughter. That's what that coal mine reminded me of. Her movie. You know, when we passed and I said it's like off of a movie.
Well, I think this is a lot better than riding down 77.
I believe so. This is what I'm telling you. It keeps me interested. I don't get tired. Just riding straight ahead on a freeway, I get so bored and tired. This is looking at all the trees and looking at the top of the mountains. It's just something. And then looking at these houses that people build in between all this stuff. That's what I like. It's like we're gonna fall off the road. Look. Didn't it look like it?
Yep.
Going up, it looked like we were gonna go up in the sky. Meta, 1 mile. Big road up in there. Such a beautiful day.
Yes, it is.
That house is nice. Big old pool. baby. I have you what you want to say. Baby, baby. Look at that to the right. Jeez. How pretty. Ooh, that was scary. Did you see them black birds looking at us? Like crows staring at us. There's 3 crosses there on the right. Industrial park. Bent Branch Phelps. It's so funny to read some of these names of these roads, like Dead Dog Road or Dog Leash, you know?
Or like down in North Carolina or Georgia, Big Ball Road.
Oh yeah, who comes up with this stuff? Falling Rock Zone. Wow, that's pretty.
Yeah. Way down there.
Yep.
Well, if my calculations are right, 7 miles we should be in Virginia or Tennessee.
Yeah. These people are waving at me.
Are they?
Yeah.
They know you're starting a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
They want to be on it.
So I got 11,338 miles on my bike. Not bad for not riding all the time.
Yeah.
Just a year old. This baby's on its 3rd trip too.
Yep. Look at the valleys. I can't believe it.
I know. Looks like log cabins down there in my dream house. I'd love to have one in the woods.
So when we get down to Tennessee, we can find some roads like that up through the valleys.
Yeah. Find the place we would like to eventually move to, you know?
Yeah.
I still like to live in here. Someday, somehow. Na-na-na-na. Look down there.
I know. Wow.
At least here, my allergies aren't really kicking up. There's really nothing to be allergic to. I've only seen a few wildflowers. Big billboard up there. I wonder how they changed that thing. Jeez, it's giving me the heebie-jeebies looking at it.
What are you talking about?
There's a billboard clear up in the woods. I said, I wonder how they changed it all the time. It was straight up there.
I missed it.
Gave me the heebie-jeebies looking at it. Red light out in no middle of nowhere. Big log cabin up there on the right, clear up on top of that hill.
Yeah.